Alright guys, this is my review of the Elemental Knives Hyper Beast Spinner Knife. It's $39 on hyperbeast.com. Oh, I mean on elementalknives.com. And let me show you what it looks like. So you open the box and it says Evil Spinner Knife. I wondered about that because if you look at the box, it says nobleспin.com. So I'm assuming this website also has other spinner knives or fidget spinners. Inside is the fidget spinner itself. And underneath is a little chamois for cleaning it. Now this thing is a fidget spinner. See, and as you can tell, mine is all dinged up because ever since I got it, I've been using it like non-stop. Basically, this knife I keep on me every day, all day. It's always in my jacket pocket, so whenever I need it, I use it all the time for opening packages, cutting open letters. Probably not the best use of it, but I mean, it's functional and it's a great thing to have on you. In fact, I carry it so much that sometimes right before I get on a plane flight, I'm like, oh shit, it's still in my pocket and I need to put it in my luggage. But that's it, and you can see here how it spins, right? It takes some time getting used to because it's so thick as a fidget spinner. And the bearings are kind of funky, like because of all this weight, they don't spin as great. It's not going to spin forever like a fidget spinner, but it's fairly good. So let me show you up close. It basically has the Hyper Beast pattern. You know, like with all Hyper Beast ones, you're going to get different patterns depending on your luck. Mine happens to be like a lot of purple, oranges, and blues, which is pretty nice. A lot of variety. My coworker got one, and his like all green. So we got a different part. And it basically has this little latch here that you can use to flip open. See? And it has a really sharp knife here. Really thin. I mean, the blade is way thick. So, I mean, the length of it is really well. So that it gets to, be thinner for more portions of the blade, unlike the stiletto. And then that's it. You just press the safety latch right here to bring it back down to close. Like that. So it's great. It fits in your pocket. And then if you're bored, like I spin it like all the time whenever I'm outside walking or thinking or doing something. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you can see how it works. It's great. And the price is $39. It's still available. Hopefully they come out with some other version. To be honest, like if they came out with another houndstooth or a different pattern of this, I probably would buy it because it's just really functional. It's a great gift. And it's because it's tiny. It's definitely legal to carry around. It's a great knife. That's pretty much it. Mine's all dinged up, but if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll try to answer it and get back to you. Thanks for watching.